Hey guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a credit video. I want to start by saying I am not a credit professional. These are strictly my tips, my advice, my lessons, my errors. This is all from me, my experience. So I got my handy dandy laptop here because I literally did research on credit, because when you become an adult, you realize that while you were in high school, the one thing they didn't teach you about was credit. They taught you about credit cards, they teach you how to write a check, they teach you how to balance a checkbook, but they never break down credit. And it kind of sucks because you end up learning, some people end up learning about credit by error. And I'm one of those people. I totally learned by error. I wasn't taught in school. My parents didn't teach me about credit. It's kind of like now that I'm an adult, they have input, but they only have input because of their errors. You know what I mean? Which, I mean, isn't bad. It happens. So one mistake, major mistake that I made with credit, to start, once I turned 18, I was thirsty, okay? I was eager to do things on my own, not really having a good understanding of credit. So like the second I turned 18, for absolutely no reason at all, I went and got myself a cell phone. Even though I was already on my mother's cell phone plan, don't know what I was thinking, but I went and got a cell phone. And I was working part-time, you know, obviously that's how I got approved. So I had income, but I kind of like forgot, you know, I was used to my phone bill being paid by my mom. And honestly, I forgot, you know, about my cell phone bill. So that was a negative on my credit report. Another thing that I struggled with a lot was allowing others to use my credit. You know, friends, family members, hey, you know, I need to get a stove for my apartment. Do you mind if I use your credit? And me, I'm like, you know, why not? You need a stove? Like, sure, you can use my credit. Not thinking to myself, like, well, I wonder why they need to use my credit. Now that I'm an adult, I definitely think about those things, like, they need to use my credit because they've probably already ruined their credit, or they've done exactly what they're requesting of me. They let someone else use their credit and that person ruined their credit. So that's probably, you know, why they're asking. And take my advice. Just say no. Just say no. I do not care who it is. Say no. Because if they didn't take care of their credit, they're probably not going to take care of yours. So just say no. Now, I know some people think that when it comes to credit, it's just like, oh, you don't pay your bills on time, so you have a low credit score. Or you make, you know, no payments at all, so you have a low credit score. That does have a lot to do with your credit and your credit score, but also it's soft inquiries and hard inquiries. So I will put them down on the screen as well, but I'm going to go ahead and read off soft inquiries and hard inquiries. So some soft inquiries, so they don't affect your credit. When you check your own credit, if a job checks your credit, because some jobs, believe it or not, they do check your credit depending on the type of job you're applying for. And then if credit card companies send you those pre-approved statements in the mail, those were soft inquiries that they already ran, obviously, to get you to the pre-approved status. Hard inquiries are when you apply for a mortgage or a cash loan or a car loan, a credit card. When you apply for a credit card, when you apply for the credit card, it's going to be a hard inquiry. When a credit card company sends you the pre-approval, that's a soft inquiry on their end to your credit. Also, the amount of inquiries. I made the mistake of, when I was looking for a car a few years ago, there's a street that there's like a gazillion billion car dealerships. And I remember walking down like, okay, let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. And then I end up getting a letter in the mail, you know, stating all these inquiries and showing that it was dinging my credit like points. So I'm like, wait, what? Like that's a thing? So of course I go, I'm doing research. Yep, that's a thing. Too many inquiries is not good. Too many inquiries, you put yourself in a high risk category. They're like, what the heck is wrong with this person? Why are they going this dealership, this credit card, this, like, that's not responsible, you know? So you put yourself in a high risk category to other lenders. Late payments can drop your credit score. It takes a while to get your credit back up. Ways to increase your credit is to make your payments on time, on the due date, pay things off early before the due date. Secured credit cards are also something nice. I haven't gotten one myself just yet, but in my research, I did see that having a secured credit card is extremely beneficial. And I'll go ahead and put more information here on the screen in regards to secured credit cards. Also, you want to make sure that in anything that you get, if it's a car loan, a mortgage, a payday loan, whatever it is that you're inquiring about, make sure that the interest rate is good. Interest rates can be a killer. That's what makes your payment larger. So make sure you get a good interest rate. So another thing that I wanted to share with you guys in regards to building your credit, whether you have good credit, no credit, bad credit, you don't know credit, this is something I wanted to share with you guys. It's called Self Lender. They have an app. I will put their little icon logo thing on the screen so that when you go to the app store, you know what you're looking for. Self Lender is a credit building money saving tool. It's different than a traditional loan where you get the money up front. With Self Lender, you get the money at the end of your loan term. Your money is FDIC protected, and it takes 5 minutes or less to sign up. You can select a loan term from 12 or 24 months at a dollar amount that works for you. So you set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment, and you can use your bank account, debit card, or prepaid card. Your payment history is reported to credit bureaus, which builds your credit, and you can start, you know, saving money as well as building your credit today. So I'm gonna put that information in the description box, the logo on the screen, everything, so that you guys can use Self Lender. I am currently on Self Lender. I've been using Self Lender for about 4, maybe 5 months now, and I personally have it set at $25 a month. I believe the initial startup cost is $12, and then after that, whatever you set it up for, and they do report to the credit bureau, and you build your credit score and you save money. And to be honest, I forgot about it for a little bit, and you're probably going to forget about it too, you know, but it's like a good forget because you have it on automatic payments, and then at the end of your loan term, you get this deposit or this check mailed to you or deposited into your bank account, and then you're like, oh my God, you know, I kind of forgot about XYZ, and now here's all this money, you know, that I saved up, and my credit score went up. So I would definitely recommend you guys to try out Self Lender. You can set it at a dollar amount that works best for you and improve your credit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I stated, I am not a credit professional by any means. I just did my research, trial and error, learning from my mistakes, and yeah, here I am. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. Go ahead and give a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have additional tips for me or others in regards to credit, do feel free to leave it in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.